नई कहानी मजा आएगा. In this story, there is Nikki, a bright 7-year-old girl, and Vivan, her adventurous 6-year-old brother. Their best friend was a playful puppy named Bruno.
One day, Nikki and Vivan's father surprises them with a new laptop. He tells them it's loaded with AI games. This will be a new playground, he says with a smile. Excited, they decided to explore these games with Bruno, their playful puppy. As they open the laptop, Bruno wags his tail, curious about the adventures they are about to start. Let's start this Mazadar journey, Nikki exclaims, with Vavan eagerly nodding in agreement.
The first game is a puzzle that gets harder with each level. Nikki's quick thinking and Vivan's creative ideas help them move forward. They learn how important it is to work together and think critically. This puzzle is so cool, Vivan shouts, while Nikki focuses on every detail. Watching them, Bruno barks happily, cheering them on as they solve each puzzle, showing how teamwork can make even the toughest challenges fun.
Few days later, in the creativity game, Nikki and Vivan get to create their own worlds. Nikki draws beautiful landscape with mountains and rivers, and Vivan adds magical creatures to it. Bruno even leaves his paw prints on their digital canvas, making their creation unique. Look, Bruno helped us, Vivan laughs. Nikki replies, our team is the best. This game teaches them that imagination has no limits and that teamwork can make any dream come true.
Next weekend, they dive into a car racing game. Choosing and customizing their cars become an exciting challenge. The AI opponent learn from their moves, making each race unpredictable. That race was so close, Nikki says, after a thrilling finish. Vivan responds, I will win next time. Their competitive spirit and the joy of playing shows how much fun they are having, pushing them to try even harder.
The detective game takes them to a new level. AI clues based on their previous answers help them solve mysteries, with Bruno as their mascot detective. What does this clue mean? Nikki wonders, as Vivan suggests a new theory. Together they solve the mysteries, learning the importance of observation and deduction. Each discovery feels like a big win, making the game even more exciting.
At the end of the month, the siblings and Bruno reflect on their digital adventures. Discussing their favorite moments, they realize the value of creativity, teamwork, and learning. Eager for more adventures, they feel inspired by the endless possibilities of AI and technology. Last few days were amazing, Nikki says, filled with happiness. Vivan adds, and tomorrow we will explore even more games. Their journey into the digital world not only brings them closer, but also sparks a lifelong curiosity and love for discovery.